Hey, welcome to my journey and to Vlogmas Day. I'm not sure. I don't know when you're going to see this. Don't know what day I'm going to put it up. Doing these things early. So what I'm making today is my homemade cough syrup or elixir or cure for what ails you. Whatever you want to call it. It is made with rock and rye whiskey and peppermints. And that's all I do. Some people do lemons. The rock and rye has citrus in it. So I don't like to add extra lemon because I don't like the flavor. And then some people add honey, and I don't like to sweeten it up. I like it just like it is with peppermint. I like it to go down strong because I feel like it, to me, if it goes down strong, I feel like it's working better. That may or may not be true. You know what I mean? But that's how I've always done it. So that's what we're doing today. I figured it's coming up on winter. I needed a new batch. And so I thought, why not share it with you? Now, let me say, I'm not a doctor. I'm not telling you that my whiskey cure is for you. No. It is what I do. It's what my family takes. What my children took growing up, not when they were little, you know, to knock their head off. But as they got older, when they got sick, they took it. Do what you think you should do, not what I do. So I just want to put that little disclaimer out there. I'm not telling you to run out and get whiskey and drink whiskey when you're sick. You see what I'm saying? But if you make it, you know, that's on you. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you today for this episode of Vlogmas, and we'll turn around and get started making it. So to make our cough syrup, elixir for what ails you, whatever you want to call it, you need a bottle of rock and rye. You can use whatever brand you want. This is Joaquin's. It says with choice fruits. If you can see, there's like it's probably a lemon. It could be an orange. And I think a couple cherries in the bottom, maybe. Anyway, this is the base of your, where's my knife? Syrup. Let me see if I can get this open. Now, I guess you could use any other whiskey, but rock and rye is always what I've used. So that's what we're going to use today. Now we just want to put it into a mason jar, and if the fruit comes along with it, that's fine too. You know what? Yeah, I'll let the fruit come with it. If you don't want the fruit, leave the little stopper in. So that fits nicely in a quart jar. This is a 700 milliliter. Let me get that off my hands. Ooh, I tell you, you're working with some strong stuff right here. Now, all we need, I don't add all the other honey or lemon or none of that. I don't like none of that. I just like peppermint. That's all I like. So, you know, just your everyday Starlight mints. I've already unwrapped them and put them in this bag. I've got 8. I'm going to add 8 to this jar. I'm thinking that's going to be enough. So I just want to take my rolling pin and crush them because it's going to help them dissolve quicker and easier. All right, now we just need to now you are just going to put a lid on it, give it a little shake, leave it sitting out on your counter for however long it takes, a day, whatever, however long it takes for all that peppermint to dissolve. Just come around every little bit, give it a shake, check it out, and once it is dissolved, you can store it at room temperature, and it's going to last you forever because, I mean, this is liquor. You can store it in your refrigerator if you want it cold. I store mine in my freezer because I like it ice cold, because I have found by experience that it goes down easier when it is super ice cold. And because it's alcohol, it doesn't freeze. It just gets, I guess with the sugar of the peppermints, it gets a little bit of thickness. It's not thick, but it gets a cough syrup consistency. But it goes down so much easier if you store it in the freezer. Like I said, you can do it however you want. Ooh, I think I'm leaking. So that's all there is to it. There you have it. Ready for the winter season of getting sick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make homemade cough syrup, let me know how you do it. I'd be interested. Okay, well, that'll do it for me today, and I will see you on the next one.